What's happening, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Style Survival Guide. My name is Aaron Selburg. I am joined again by Jeremy Reed. Today we were talking about clean cut. I'm not clean cut.
I'm not clean. Well, my head's clean cut.
That's right. That's right. When we say clean cut, we don't necessarily mean you have to be completely clean shaven. Right. We're not babies. We're men. We have beards.
Beards are cool right now, too. Beards are cool.
But we're both clean cut.
Yeah.
You know, fresh, clean
And
shave.
I think the thing to take from it, when we say clean cut, I mean, we just mean all-encompassing personal hygiene, right?
Yeah.
I don't think we should ever have to say this, but I mean, it is a simple, easy upgrade, right? It's one of our 30 upgrades. If you take a little bit of care in your own personal look and attire, you know, so that goes from your hair not looking all disheveled, unless that's exactly the look you're trying to go for, which
could be.
That's fine.
You know, just roll out of bed look.
Yeah, I guess there's people that, but you know, like a nice, you know, if you're gonna have a beard, fine, have a beard, but have it shaved, have it clean. You don't want it like just pointing every different direction.
Right.
You want to have it trimmed up. You want to take care of your hands. You know.
Yep.
I'm not saying you got to go out and get manicures every day or anything like that, but you want your fingers and nails looking clean. I understand sometimes you're doing manual labor and they get dirty. Sure. But if you're dressing up and you're going out to dinner, you want to look clean, right?
Your lady wants you to look clean, or your significant
other, right?
Sure.
Obviously, you're showering regularly. You're doing all that stuff that we shouldn't have to say, but it is a simple upgrade.
Yeah.
Like it is literally like a zero cost upgrade.
I think with all that being said, one really good upgrade that guys can do if they have a beard, if you're not doing it, use some beard oil.
Yeah.
Use a little beard oil.
Product is huge. And I mean, don't just stop at the beard oil or the beard balm or any of that. Invest in a good shave cream. Because it'll save you from breaking out of the neck, which a lot of guys will do.
Yep. Aftershave balm, which a lot of guys don't use.
Yeah, which is huge for cleaning the pores and like tighten them back up to where nothing gets in there and causes clogged pores.
Yep.
Use skin protection. Mm-hmm. You know what I mean? SPF is a real thing. Lotions, you know, things like that. Like, know your skin, understand what it is. Moisturize, don't moisturize, clean the oil off your skin, whichever way you are. You're dry or oily, whatever it is. But know your skin, understand it, and then obviously do the appropriate action.
That's right.
Easy upgrades.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you guys for joining us. We will see you tomorrow for another essential style tip.